student, welcome to NXTQ. Today I continue with the some most important chapter of the data science. So that is how to handle the missing value or how to handle the unwanted string, how to convert this string into the non value or specific value. These are the things I have to share for today this video. Okay, so not let's get started. So I quickly just open my Jupyter notebook here. So here I just mentioning today's agenda. Okay, this is the agenda. So I before that told you that how to do the heading. Click on heading and here shift enter. Agenda is coming, and now I just keep in heading. What is my agenda? Today's video. So how to handle missing values or handle unwanted string to non values. Okay, the other thing. So before going to the handle missing value or unwanted string to the non value, so I have an data set. So you have to use in data set. So where is my data set? So in my case, that data set is not there. So I freshly create a data set, and there we just so how the data will looks like and how you handle the missing value in that tutorial. Okay, so quickly just created data set. So in my notepad, these are some of the things I just cancel it. Okay. So here, first I go to file and save as. Here I save to student.csv. Okay. So my student.csv file is ready now. I know how to create the CSV file. You know already. So I just mentioning my column name is roll name age address and mark. Okay. So here what I have take that I just take a roll number, name, age column, address column, and mark column. So there are total 5 numbers of column I taken. So I just randomly choose the data. Okay. So let's say Samyo is equal to 21, address equal to CTC, mark equal to let's say 50. Okay. And another things roll equal to 12, name is equal to Azoy, and as equal to 45, address equal to BBS, mark equal to 90, and next roll number is sorry uh, 23, let's say John is equal to 67, US 89, and the name is roll number is 45, let's say Doi is equal to 56, Canada, and mark is 70. So we are completing the data according to the column, but for the handling missing value we have to missing some of the data here. So you are not present here, so I assume you are present there. One by one I just missing values here. So 12 I just missing, and another is 45 is missing, and another is John is missing, another is missing. Okay, and let's say there is an 50 is missing because that. So I just save it, and one question, that where is your file saving right now? These are the things. Okay, so I just quickly go to my file, and there I just search, let's say I just search student, sorry, student, yeah, student.csv file is my C users patra downloads. Okay, so I quickly go to the downloads, and the student.csv file will be there. I just click on it, and a file will be open here. Yeah, good, it's good. And just move back to my Jupyter notebook here. Now, for importing the dataset, I have to import some things you have know. So I just, that is pandas. So I just import pandas as pd. Okay, and I taken as an variable name is equal to df. They are connecting to the pd because I given the alias number of alias as pd. So pd dot create csv. So these are my csv file, and I just, here I just mentioning my file storage. So quickly just change this onto this. Okay, and and student dot csv. Yeah, I think there is no error will be coming. Yeah, error is not coming here. Print df and just print out there. So here what I've taken, that is 0123 row number, and my column number is equal to roll name as address mark. There is roll number is blank, and then his name is blank, as is blank, and in address there is in Canada. I just remove one of the things and mark it with here. Okay, let's see. So here I see the lots of missing value in there. It may be string, it may be integer value, like of that. Whatever the value, I don't mind. I have to handle the missing value. How to handle that? Let's see. Okay. So in pandas, there are some following concept will be there. Just discuss before going to the handle the missing value. Here I just mentioning pandas also converts the following value to value to nan nan automatically. Okay. So what is this value? That pandas will automatically, whoever missing or nothing or no operation will be given there, but pandas will convert automatically to the nan value. So pandas will convert it to the this value automatically. So what is the value? Or let's see, these are the value. Just to note down it. First is nan, and second is n slash a, another is null, and another value is small one, and last one is n. Okay, so these are the value will converted to the nan values will be there. So whatever the value converted by this value, so these are also, if the data set have these value also, these are converted to the nan value. So these are my five, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5, these are my five basic conversion automatically by the Pandas. Okay. So I just keep it when we convert here. Yeah. So not on it. And another things. So in the above, there are student.csv file will be imported. Now I have to handle the missing value. So there are some of the unwanted string will be there. How to do that things? Okay, these are the questions. These are the problem we're facing. So how to do that? So let's say, so I just mentioning my variable name is df. So I just df equal to pt dot read csv will be there, and again, so I just given the path. So these are the paths I have to copy and paste it here. Okay, so my dataset path will be there, and now I just split with the comma, and again another value is will be putting there. So na values. Okay, let's have an quick look into that thing, that na values will be correct or not. So yeah, just copy it. And now, so if you have in doubt that na values method is correctly defined or not, so you have just to go, shift tab will be there, and there are signature will be coming over there. What is the parameter you have to give, that is will be coming over there. Then you have to just keep an eye that my parameter will be okay. Then you have to confirm these are will work, otherwise you will getting a error. So best way is just go there and searching where is the enable, just copy it and paste it into your parameter. That is a good way. Okay, so these are the thing. A non value automatically will be converted, whatever the data will be there, it will be converted the non value. And another things will be, uh, these are the data. Let's say in student.csv I have data set, and there this value are blank, this value are blank, and this value are blank. These are the things. So many values are blank will be there. So how can I handle that things? So for that things, there is an method name is equal to fill na. So what is meaning fill na? So fill na means whatever the data will be blank in the data set, so these are the filled by non values. And another parameter is in place equal to true. So what is meaning is in place equal to true means whatever the data will be changed to the non value, so it will be directly uh, converted to the and directly converted the data into the non value. So it will be directly in place, directly replace the my source data. These are the things. So my source data is student.csv. So here it will be converted the data. Uh, my blank data will be converted to the fill and saved it permanently. So these are the things. So in place equal to false, then it will be replace your data by temporarily. So for that things you have to declare another variable. You have to store that. Let's say I have a given variable name is your temp equal to df dot fill in plus equal to, here is I have to change false. Okay, so in case in place equal to false, you have to store into the temporary files. Or if you don't have to the temporary file and have to change in your source code or source data set, these are the root data sets called. So for that things, you have to directly fill na with the df. So df dot fill na with the blanks method in place equal to true here. These are the things, and print df. It will be automatically given you the data will be there. So if that is a blank will be shown, but it will be already filled with the these are the things. So then we have to print a statement that is df dot is null. So is null means if there is something is null value. So if there is something is null value, so these are the sum will be uh, repl- show you in the data set. So in my case, there are in roll column there are no null value is there. So it show you 0, and again another column name is name, and there are no name null value will be there, so it is 0, and same thing will be as same thing will be address mark like of that, and my data type is equal to here I just use integer 64, and you have to convert it the integer 8, integer 32, integer 16 like of that, whatever you choose, no problem. So these are some blank case situation that for the blank data we have to replace to the name value. So I just use the method fill in. But if there is an unwanted string, like in name place there is an another value is there. So if name in case of Soumya, or in case of Ranjan, in case of John, so there are another unwanted string like not available. These are the things. So how can I do that things? So these are my second step. But for that things I have to go again into the student.csv data, and there I have to modify this data into the unwanted string. So firstly I just show you the blank cell will be there, and now I have to replace these blank cell into the unwanted string. Let's see. So after 10 I just mentioning that is here not available, okay, and just copy it, and here I just paste it, and another is here I just paste it, another where I just paste it, and uh, for the address I just give you another thing that is missing. Okay, so in my case there are two things will be there, and one thing is not available, another my honor string will be missing. So I just save it, it will be saved, and go to my Jupyter notebook again here, and just importing these situations. And for that things again and again import pandas spt don't be again and again imported. So just you have to running your code, and let's see, I just copy it again, and here I just put it there. Yeah, so df equal to pd dot read csv will be there, and given to the path my dataset name will be student dot csv file, and just print the df value, then there is a not available value will be coming there, and a missing value will be there. Okay, so now there is in questions that how to converted the value, this value, into the certain amount of the value, like not available will be replaced by the nan value, how to do that thing. So for that things I have just copied again and paste it here. Just remove printf right now. Okay, so separated by comma, after we will be separated by comma in the parameter steps, and there I just give an n value is equal to whatever the data will be there. Let's say I just change not available value, okay, to the n value. Okay, so it will be working fine. Now I just print df. Okay, so now my not available value will be changes, already changes to the non values. So these are the value will be changes to these things. And if there are, if my data set will be have multiple unwanted string will be there, so how can do that things? So instead of doing one particular value, I have to use here the list. For the list I just use list here, and just copy my single variable, okay, and paste it here, and by separated comma, and again I just put another value like missing. Okay, so now if I run it, now my total unwanted string will be removed from my datasets. So these are the basic things how to convert the unwanted string or missing value to the nan values. So after that nan value will be converted to the a structural number of data, or good data set. how to do that. So there are some methods will be available there. So you can forward fill, we can backward fill, we can convert it. We can just calculate the mean median ratio and just putting there the value will be there. So these are the so many things will be there. We'll let's see on the gradually, but right now it will be okay. And again, another scenario. Let's say if there is another situation like that unwanted string will do not convert it to the string name. These are the things, and for that things we will be do later. But right now we will be do how to delete the specific columns from a dataset. Okay, for the next video we will discuss on the delete specific columns from the dataset and how to fill the NA values with a different type of method will available in Pandas. Okay, so for this video it's okay. We'll see the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.